So guys, I'm back with
Greta, Deepa, what was it?
Deepa Rani.
Deepa Rani.
No, this is not the. अरे वो है ये भाग रही है अरे भाग रही है अरे भाई. So guys, today I'll take her to a local train. She never been in a Mumbai local. She's like I fly a business. I've never been in a like I've been in economy class for like very few times.
That was a secret. I was telling you this in secret. No, I have been in economy, but some airlines they have really small space. And one time I started crying because it was so small, and I got like scared of the space. It's not. It's just scary. That's why I have to get used.
So
to it.
guys, if she's even scared of small seats in economy, so now you can think when we'll go to a second class couch in the train. So how would she feel, huh?
I'm so scared.
She was like, I was like, no, we'll go to South Bombay in train. She was like, okay, I'll take a AC train and first class. I was like, no, 10 rupees ticket.
No, please, I'm scared. I don't want to die.
No, come. You trust me, right? Oh no, no. Huh? Come. So guys, let's see. Let's hop auto. First we'll go to Andheri, then we'll go to Church Gate, then we'll show you around South Bombay. You have never been to South Bombay? No?
I'm scared. Okay.
She's scared, but you're with me. I'm a muscular guy. See. कोई फालतू बोल गया तुमने बेरे है. So yeah,
Great.
and like I'll tell you one thing. Just be cautious of your things.
Yeah, thanks. What do I do with my phone?
Phone, put it in the bag or something. See, her bag is cute.
Yeah. Do you think somebody would want to steal this cute bag?
Yeah, they can even steal you. They can even steal you. Come.
अरे यार.
अरे यार भी कम आ जाओ. अरे कम. You'll die before.
I will die.
You'll die before getting there. So yeah.
I'm so scared.
भैया अंधेरी स्टेशन बैठे घुमा लो.
See, even though he doesn't want to take us because he knows that
You
you
wanna
were
take
like.
us? He's like, come. I'm just
Oh,
rotating
no.
it. Yeah.
Ah.
You have a rose.
Yes.
Be my rose. Be my rose. So bye.
I'm so scared.
Don't cry.
How often
Are you a crybaby? Are you a crybaby?
Yes, I am.
Oh, he left.
See, I told you he was like, this poor girl. I don't want her to like suffer. I've seen videos. I've seen videos of people almost dying. How will you put me in this situation?
Auto. Andheri West.
Maybe it's the camera.
No, it's not the camera.
Only.
It's too foreign. Like I'm a. Why are you so scared?
Because I've seen videos and I'm scared of human. Of
Today, I'm assuring you, you'll be safe. Come after me. Follow me. You are a strong girl. You are from Germany.
I'm a quite a chill person, yeah, but this is a lot to handle, you know.
You are a brave
Yep.
girl. You know. Do you drink milk?
Yes.
So yeah. What's the thing? Why are you scared of?
What do you
In
mean?
India, it's the saying. If you drink milk, you are a hatta katta person. Nobody can touch you. दूध दही का खाना सबसे महान दिल्ली और हरियाणा. Speak this. दूध दही का खाना
Dude Kana
सबसे महान दिल्ली और हरियाणा.
subset Haryana.
So yeah, guys, let's go. Let's take a auto. Just hold my hands in the train. That's the only thing you can do. Yeah. If somebody's coming
You
near
know,
you,
you should see my friends a few months ago. I was not leaving the house without the bodyguard in Bombay.
guys,
and-
she also have bodyguards. I'll tell you. But
So I used to have bodyguards because I was so scared to walk around. And I was already like, okay, now at least I'm going out. Like I'm trying to be fearless. So imagine you seeing yourself 4 months ago and now, like you're taking a local train in second class. This is so scary. Like it's like a lot to handle. But it's good. I like to be outside. of the
guys, it
comfort
took
zone.
me so long to convince her. She was like, I'm not going. I was like, content, Greta, content. This is a content. She's just going for the content. Huh? So,
What did I do? That I
like
deserved
its
this?
ticket is of 10 rupees. 10 rupees means
I've
0.
been so nice to you the whole time.
So I'm going to show you
This is
the
what you do.
harsh reality of this world. You have seen the rosy thing. You go to Switzerland, you go to Singapore. So these are the real things. Come this side. Don't run away.
I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry.
If she cries, guys, just like, what can I say? I'll wipe her tears. She's already started crying.
I'm so scared. The problem is I can imagine. I have a good imagination, because it's my job to imagine. And I'm already seeing myself suffering, so I'm already suffering.
भैया अंधेरी वेस्ट स्टेशन स्टेशन नहीं चलो यार चलो
Nobody wants
क्यों
us to go
क्यों नहीं
there.
जाते लोग जा क्यों नहीं रहे अच्छा ही इज लाइक आई डोंट नो द प्लेस कम
Nobody wants to take us. They
wanna
all,
take, but he
they
don't know.
all know
They
that
all know
it's not good to go there.
you trust me or not
They're trying.
yes or no
You know that every time you talk to them in the back, I'm like this. I'm just like, nee, 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 nee. So that's why they say it. They get their side.
when everybody say
They're
no
scared that.
when everybody say no you should say yes that's how life works
So when you when somebody tells you jump out of the window, would you jump?
yeah
Oh!
that's when you jump okay
Challenge.
Yeah.
I'm joking.
so guys
Find the car.
car she says auto's a car I don't know why
Let's take.
say tuk
So why don't we take the bike if we want to be like completely extreme?
we can't sit together like yeah so that's
Well,
the thing I can
I
you want to
feel-
sit on a bike
I might feel more safe with somebody else around me after
if you'll
put
come
me
to
in the
Delhi I'll make you sit on a bike
Oh
you know how to ride a bike
no, but I mean we can.
scooty you know scooty
I've never used. Andheri station. Okay.
Andheri station
Just I have to ask.
ठीक है
See the charm. It's always a charm.
so yeah guys
Meter?
a meter only so the thing is when
Turn on the meter.
he'll turn on the meter so the thing is when guys ask to auto wala bhaiyas let's take me there they just say no when a pretty girl asks
Yes. No, it's also about the attitude. You need to smile. You need to be friendly.
okay if we'll say like bhaiya Andheri West no
He's like, Andheri West.
okay I see you at Andheri West station okay it's gonna be fun she's never been
I'm gonna cry.
she's never been like she might have seen it and she's always like she's kind of scared just after watching it no
Disinfection.
What?
Like disinfection. Disinfection.
No. Okay, like sanitizer or something.
Yeah.
No. She is so cautious. We travel. We are like my entire life is I used to travel in buses, then I used to travel in metro, then I used to travel in trains. Okay. I've never been a private jet or like business class kind of guy. So you are safe with me because I know how these things work. When I'll go fly business, I'll ask you. When I'll fly first class, I'll ask you.
There's nothing scary in business class.
Not scary, but we should know the things, right? Guys, I'll tell you, for the first time I went on a business class in Indigo. There's a like,
It's not business class.
it's Indigo also have a business class. So
but
yeah, it's kind of not business, but yeah. So there's a different way of taking out the tray in business class. So I was like doing some stuff. They saw me and they were like, poor guy sitting for the first time.
You know how to make your bed.
No.
But it also depends on the airline. You know, in some airlines you have the buttons where you can put yourself down and you make it yourself. And the more premium airlines, they make your bed. So you ring and you say, I would like my bed to be made, and they put the whole mattress, they give you the whole pillows, they give you clothes to wear for sleeping, sleepwear and stuff. Yeah, so don't try to make it your like. This is why even if you fly a few times business class, even I get confused because every airline is doing it different. So yeah.
So yeah, those flights are Emirates, Etihad, first class classes. Okay. So guys, I'm good with my economy and like my train.
I'm also okay with economy, but not with so economy where you can't even like imagine the seat is here already, so you can't move, and this is like this. Like it was a really small. I've never seen such a small economy in my life. So this made me cry.
I can never fit my legs in economy class, guys. I always sit like this. I'm 6'1", so yeah.
Sitting 6 hours. It was a 6 hours flight.
6 hours. Where were you
Yeah.
going?
I don't remember. I have the trauma. I completely forgot.
Okay, guys. See you at the train station. Wish her luck. I think she can make it, but she's like, I can't make it. So what do you think? Let's see. Okay. Are you excited?
I'm
Okay,
just
guys.
going to survive this day. That's all.
If you'll survive this, we'll go and have a super crazy ice cream, Rustamji ice cream. It's really famous in South Bombay. It's one of the most famous ice creams. I'll make you have that. Okay. Be happy now.
Let's reach first.
Yeah. Okay, I'll see you at the station. So, girl. So yeah, you're seeing the crowd. They'll travel with us. They all are a company in the train.
I have nothing to say.
So this is the station entry, Andheri, one of the biggest station of Mumbai, I guess, after Bandra. So yeah, I'll teach you everything. Come.
I don't like to be around too many people.
Come. So guys, what do you think? She can make it or not? Let's see. So,
See, I almost fell down.
huh?
I almost fell down. It's not even funny. What will I do? What do we do now?
Now we'll go to that side of the train station and we'll take a train. And we'll go standing, I guess, because
Are you
they...
doing this normally as well? Like,
Yeah, it's my life. I'm a normal middle class person, so I do it daily.
I'm a normal middle class person too.
But I don't fly first class.
I just don't use trains here. They're like different in other countries. I always take the metro in Singapore.
Guys, you can see her stressed face.
Yeah.
Please don't cry, please don't cry.
There's people standing out.
It's like kind of chill. Otherwise, it's so completely
Falls
packed.
out.
Huh?
Imagine you fall out.
Then I'm gone. German girl killed by an Indian guy. Oh.
Imagine.
Oh.
See? Funny. Wow, and you would even like it. I can see it in your
See, it's so nice. See the station. It's lovely. Greta, take my cover, take my cover. Be behind me.
Wait, let me pack my phone.
Huh?
Let me get my phone packed. Wait, this is so many people.
This is nothing. In the train, you'll love it. तो भाई ग्रेटा तो अभी से ही वो रखी है. What's your first impression? We are not in the train seeing so many people around you.
Yeah, they also see me. We are all seeing each other.
So yeah, guys.
And they're running.
Have you ever seen this much crowd in your life? Huh?
I mean, no.
Huh? भैया एक बार भैया चर्च गेट कौन सी जाती है? यही फास्ट कौन सी है फास्ट? हाँ? ये लेफ्ट राइट राइट.
Why is everybody running?
हाँ?
Why is everybody running?
भाई ग्रेटा की हालत खराब हो रखी है. तो भैया
I don't want to run.
हाँ?
I don't want to
We have to
run.
run and catch, otherwise we leave it.
No.
We have to run like them. Come, run. Come fast, come.
I will fall.
We have to run. Oh. See. No. This is not the. अरे ओए ये भाग रही है. भाग रही है. अरे भाई. अरे ये नहीं है मैडम हिंदी समझ नहीं. This is not the one. This is not the one. भाई इसको लगा.
I was running for first class. I was only running because it was first class. It looked empty.
So yeah, guys, now train is coming. Then we leave.
Was it the wrong train?
Huh?
What-
That was the wrong train where you were running. You thought that's our
Because
train.
I saw an empty spot and I was like, now or never. I'd rather go in the wrong direction than taking a full train.
Guys, you can see tears. You're kind of crying
Yeah, because
because yeah, now I'm feeling bad for her. Should I take her? भाई ये बड़ी हाई फाई है सच्ची मजाक नहीं बड़ा मतलब इमोशनल काइंड ऑफ पर्सन है. इसको लगा.
I understand what you're saying.
No, I was like run.
I am emotional. Yes. So, do.
So I was like, let's run. I just wanted to make her come fast here, but she was like, oh, I have to get on that train. भाग रही है. Wait, stop.
How full this train is. This is why I was running for this. Look at it. Completely full.
So guys, train is here. How are you feeling?
Scared, huh? How do we get in this?
Huh?
How do we get in this?
We have to just jump in. When you are scared to jump in, that's when you jump. Okay? When you are scared.
This is first class.
No, we are going in second class. Yeah, we have a ticket.
You
Yeah.
just got it right
Yeah.
upstairs. This is where you went.
Yeah. So guys, when it's scary, when it's
No.
When it feels
No.
That's the experience you will tell in your country. I went on a like, come fast. Oh भाई, देख रहे हो भीड़ देख रहे हो भाई. How you feel? Oh भाई,
Hey,
he's drunk.
what if he's dying? Can somebody help him, please?
He's drunk.
No.
He's drunk. I'm telling you.
No, can somebody please help him?
Bye. अरे ओए, भैया.